Welcome to the world of furniture, innovation, and technology. Welcome to Komandor Software. Komandor Software's mission is to simplify furniture design and production by delegating as many responsibilities as possible to the computer. This is achieved by enabling factories to quickly diversify and expand their product range, while minimizing the risk of collaboration by automating design and production with a single program, while also minimizing the costs of doing business through the elimination of other costs associated with furniture design, technology, and processing departments, while allowing factories to focus solely on production. Today, we will present you our LUMI library, where you can create a full project with visualization, pricing, and production files in just a few minutes. LUMI is a system of internal aluminum glass partitions in the form of functional dividing walls with sliding and swing doors, fixed display cabinets, or passage doors in the frame which fit into the modern design. Its specificity and the materials used allow you to use LUMI in both classic and loft interiors on the basis of an interesting looking partition, or dividing the room into separate zones. The advantage of the system is its minimalism, transparency, and freshness, thanks to which it is possible to easily maintain spaciousness, the flow of natural light, and the unique character of the interior in arranged, separated, or closed rooms. LUMI is available in natural anode and matte black, which are an interesting contrast to the glass and furniture panels used as insert material. Original partitions and doors using colored, frosted, transparent, or reinforced glass add lightness and spaciousness to interiors, allowing for the arrangement of fully personalized spaces and bold design visions. I invite you to the presentation of Komandor Software, where you will see how easy it can be to design the LUMI system. Run the Komandor Software application, select a new project and enter its name. Select the Komandor Professional Library. In the next step, specify the room dimensions, height, width, and depth. From the tray, select the LUMI wall. Modify the type to a wall with hinged door. Select the second panel. Select its type to a double hinged door with a transom. Select the wall again and change the number of panels to 3. Change the type of handle. To edit the default dividing frames, run the front editor. Delete or modify the default dividing profiles on the outermost panels or add new ones. This will allow them to unfold automatically. Perform the same steps for swing doors as with suspended top-hung doors. In the case of a side light, use a vertical or horizontal dividing frame. Change the height of the swing door. You can use animation. For better visualization of the project, use the renderer. After setting the camera, take screenshots that will be visible on the order. In the order, select a customer from the database or add a new one. Go to Order Management. Print the order you created. On the order, we can see the LUMI wall specifications and previously created screenshots. In the basic version, you can print simplified production documents. In the first step, we see the distribution of raw materials, then the fitting of panels and door leaves. In the last document, we see the completion of the order. In this way, in just a few minutes, we designed the LUMI partition wall from the above implementation. Now let's design something much more advanced together. Start a new project. Give it a name. Select the Komandor Professional Library. Specify the room dimensions, height, select the LUMI column from the container. Specify its position using a ruler in 2D mode. On the right side of the column, insert a LUMI wall. In the next step, insert LUMI walls in the lower and upper part. You can rotate them with the right mouse button. Select the two left LUMI walls and change their type to a wall with swing doors. Select the extreme panels and change their type to swing doors. Select the right panel and change its design to right pull. Select both panels. Change the type of handle. Select the right wall. Change its type to a wall with suspended panels. Set the number of the suspended panels. In the next step, match the type of handle to the rest of the walls. Start the front editor to change the default joiner rails. Delete the default joiner rails. In the next step, select all infills and add a grid. Delete the lower vertical profiles. Then select the lower inserts and change their material to black glass. Confirm the changes. Select the next wall and run the front editor. Select the default frames. You can use the Shift key. Select the fillings and insert a grid. Remove the lower vertical trims. Select the bottom inserts and change their material to black glass. In the next step, run the front editor for the last wall and perform the same steps as the previous ones. Confirm the changes. For better visualization, you can use the renderer. Finally, let's design a door with a frame in the LUMI system together. Create a new project, enter its name. Then select the Komandor Professional Library. Specify the main dimensions of the room. To divide the room, select a wall from the container. Then select the door in the LUMI frame. In the Parameters window, we can see all the parameters concerning the door. To change the default divisions, run the front editor. Then, when inserting the grid, select the appropriate number of vertical and horizontal frames. For better visualization, you can use the rendering module. In a few minutes, we have just designed 3 different LUMI system developments in the client's Komandor software program and full production and assembly documentation. That is why we can confidently say today that Komandor software is the future of the furniture industry. Minimizing costs, maximizing production, and better control of business processes. If you run a furniture factory today or are thinking about building one, contact us. We will help you create a modern furniture company that will make innovative furniture of the best quality. We will equip you with tools for design and sales. In real time, you will design and price the client's dream or need that they have come to you with. After the client accepts the order, the system based on artificial intelligence will start production in your factory. Komandor Software is modular design for salespeople and professionals, technologists, 3D renderings, valuation of design models in real time, a database of over 65,000 proven and tested raw materials, the ability to create your own price lists in different currencies, the ability to create your own language version. Komandor Software, your key to efficiency and innovation in the furniture industry. Do you want to secure your company's work? Contact us.